In this video, I would like to talk about interrogative or question structure of simple present tense for a singular subject. So how we can construct the interrogative sentence of simple present tense? Yes, there is. That interrogative we also call questions. So how we can construct for singular? First of all, we need does. We need does, and does is followed by subject. S means subject, and then base form of verb. Base form of verb. Base form of verb. And verb is followed by complement. Verb is followed by complement. That is called here complement. Complement. Now let's discuss the structure. That first of all, if I want to construct interrogative sentence, so first of all I need does, then subject, then base form verb plus complement. So now what are the subject? So before the all singular subject we need to add the does. D-O-E-S, does, and also for the second we need to add does, and for the third we need to add does here. And if we talk about others, so we need to add does. Now what are the singular subject? Actually in English we have 7 subject pronoun. The first one is called first person pronoun, and first person pronoun include I and we, and the second person include you, and third persons are called he, she, it, and they. We will discuss one by one and the next lecture as well. So let's talk about that. Does is followed by, we should have a he, and also it is followed by she, and also it is followed by singular, it is followed by it as well, and it also followed by singular noun. And singular noun mean here like maybe a singular noun here like Ali, Umar, etc. And then we have to add any base form verb. Like for example, I say does he write a letter? Write is what? Does he write a letter? So it is what? A letter here. So at the end we have to add a sign of interrogation. This is known as, this punctuation mark is called sign of interrogation. Yes, there are so many punctuation in English. Like for example, we say period, full stop, and also that we have exclamation marks, sign of interrogation. But in question we have to add this mark, and this punctuation mark is called question mark, or we can also call sign of interrogation. Now, so if we talk about she, so I say does she fix a car? Fix a car. So it is also converted. If we talk about does it rain? Does it rain in Nowshera? So it is also converted here, Nowshera here. At the end we have to add sign of interrogation. If I say does Ali speak English? Does Ali speak English? Does Ali speak English? At the end we need to add sign of interrogations. Now again we have to look about the formulas. That what does formula tell us? First, this is called does. First, if you want to construct the statement, so we need to add a does. We need to add a does. And the second, we need a subject pronoun. But what kind of subject pronoun? Which are singular. Subject pronoun, we can also call simply subject. And the second thing is, actually the third thing is here, that is followed here, that we need to add base form of verb, and automatically whatever are remaining, that is counting in a complement here. That is counting in a complement here. Complement here. Yes, these are the way to construct interrogative structure of simple present tense. Simple present tense. Yes, there are short answer of these questions also possible. It depends upon a speaker or listener. For example, I say, does he write a letter? So there is a possibility that he may, yes he write, or yes he does, or no he doesn't. If we talk about she, so there is a possibility of short answer as well. Does she fix a car? If she fixes the car, yes she does. If not, no she doesn't. If we talk about does it rain in Nowshera, so there is a possibility yes it is or no it isn't. If we talk about does Ahmad speak English, there is a possibility yes he does, no he doesn't. So this was the structure of simple present tense for the singular subject pronoun or interrogative structure. After this, in the next video we will discuss that negative interrogative structure, formal negative interrogative structure. And after that next video we will discuss that negative interrogative structure informal, or informal negative interrogative structure.